The cloud has changed everything. From entertainment to healthcare, it primes organizations for scale and speed across all industries, expanding what's possible. But behind the scenes, the move to cloud is hard to get right, and many enterprises aren't getting the results they hoped for. They're spending too much, operations are too complicated, and cloud skills are too hard to find. Even moving too quickly can lead to costly mistakes. Organizations need a comprehensive approach to cloud infrastructure automation that grows with them, spanning all operations, all security, all developer teams, and their entire digital estate. Meet the Infrastructure Cloud from HashiCorp, a single system of record that unlocks your enterprise's potential. Easily manage the resources that underpin your mission-critical applications, move faster, operate more securely, and control costs without losing developer flexibility. Do cloud right with the Infrastructure Cloud from HashiCorp.